Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate captions or emoji in CapCut. So here,
You know what? I've lost my...
generating the captions of my video that I want to edit. So click on the captions at the top and click on auto captions, select the spoken language and just click on generate. So just wait until it's done.
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately.
And here, if you want to animate the captions, you can just select all of the captions or just one of them. I'm going to change the font or the style first. Okay, let's go with this one. And if you want to animate it, just go to the animations tab at the top and then choose the animations that you want. I'm going to go to the captions category, and here let's say I want to add this one.
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately. Really?
I'm going to use this, for example. So now it has been...
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately.
Let's add emoji. So I'm going to go to tags in here, and then or I'm going to just go to stickers and add the emoji. Let's find the emoji here. Okay, so just find the emoji that you want to use. I'm going to use this one, for example. Download
Really?
it first and then click on it to add to your videos like this. And then if you want to animate it, you can just click on the emoji and go to animations and just choose the animations that you want. So I'm going to use on loop, and I'm going to add the jiggle.
Really? What have you been eating? This morning I was eating my favorite...
Just like that.
Really? What have you... Really? What have you been eating? This morning I was eating...
From me, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately. Really? What